Join me as I dive into the challenge of turning these simple app ideas into real money-making ventures by 2025. The world of app development is constantly evolving, and with the right idea, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. Innovation is key to standing out in a saturated market, and that's exactly what we're going to focus on. Many aspiring app developers struggle to come up with unique ideas that capture users' attention. They spend countless hours brainstorming, researching, and experimenting, only to end up with an app that doesn't quite make the cut. The truth is, the app market is overcrowded, and it's getting harder to stand out from the crowd. Developers are finding it increasingly difficult to create an app that resonates with users and generates significant revenue. This is where simple yet effective app ideas come into play. Ideas that solve real-world problems or cater to specific needs. The lack of innovation and originality is a major obstacle for many app developers, and it's what sets successful apps apart from unsuccessful ones. By identifying gaps in the market and capitalizing on emerging trends, developers can increase their chances of success. Simple app ideas like habit trackers, language learning tools, and social media platforms for niche communities are gaining traction. These apps may not be revolutionary, but they're effective, easy to use, and cater to specific needs. For instance, a habit tracker app can help users stay on top of their daily routines, while a language learning tool can provide an interactive and engaging way to learn new languages. A social media platform for a niche community can connect like-minded individuals and provide a sense of belonging. These apps have the potential to attract a large user base and generate significant revenue through in-app purchases or advertising. Another example is a virtual event planning app, which can help users organize and host events remotely. This app can cater to the growing demand for virtual events and provide a unique solution for event planners. A case study that comes to mind is the story of a developer who created a simple app for tracking personal finance. The app was easy to use, intuitive, and provided valuable insights into users' spending habits. The developer was able to monetize the app through affiliate marketing and in-app advertising, generating a significant revenue stream. This success story highlights the potential for simple app ideas to become profitable ventures. The app's success can be attributed to its simplicity, effectiveness, and ability to solve a real-world problem. The developer's ability to identify a gap in the market and capitalize on it was also a key factor in the app's success. By providing a valuable solution to users, the developer was able to build a loyal user base and generate revenue. The key to success lies in identifying the right app idea and executing it effectively. By focusing on simple yet effective app ideas, developers can increase their chances of success and create a profitable business. Let's recap the key app ideas we discussed, from habit trackers to virtual event planning apps. And remember that with the right idea and execution, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. If you've got thoughts on these app ideas or want to share your own, be sure to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on app development and turning your ideas into real money-making ventures. Remember to subscribe so you